Today I'm going to do this review over this cordless vacuum cleaner I got. I'm really impressed with it. It comes with a charging base that you just plug this into the wall and just clips down on there like that. And it charges. It's pretty cool. It's got a telescoping on like that. Of course, the head swivels. It's got attachments that come with it also. Comes with an extra filter. It works really well. I vacuumed my living room with it earlier. Let's see. It's got that's for bare floor, carpet, turbo. And that's all. Like I said, I vacuumed my living room and my bedroom with it, and still had plenty of power left in the battery. So it's a good product. It's a charging station. Anyway, I like it. It works pretty damn good. I'm a single guy, and of course, I really don't like doing housework. I don't mind with that because it's cordless and it stays on this charging station. That's pretty cool.